Hi, my name is Sherry Swift, and guess what? I'm the coach. My primary responsibility is to support our pack within the Swift collaboration. I've been coaching, consulting, and training realtors for well over 2 decades. I'm responsible for some of the biggest and baddest real estate businesses on a national level. What you should know is this is a family meeting. So we're going to talk like family today. You are not a result of what has happened to you. You are a reflection of what has happened for you. I am very sorry for every challenge that you've had that created challenge in your life. And what I'm saying to you is you're supposed to take all that challenge, melt it down. It's supposed to become a medal. You wear it. You wear it like a warrior. It is war paint. You deserve to be here. You should not be sitting down inside of this temporary false sense of success. What is my next move? See, I'm going to tell you something. We all have different phases of life, right? You're supposed to change. We are all always evolving. I'm constantly in evolution. I am constantly changing. I am constantly becoming the next person that God said that I am supposed to be. I am constantly evolving. But you've got to decide who you want to be. Whoever it is that you've decided that you want to be, it's available to you. I want you to give yourself permission to dream big for 2023. You can have everything that you want because there's more in you. Thank you for bringing the truth. Thank you for sponsoring us for this meeting today. Thank you for being amazing and for everything that you do. All right, let's have lunch. Us at 248-974-1650. You can find me. I encourage you to do so at www.sherryswift.com. I've been at this growth game for quite some time. I'd love to give you an opportunity to sit with me, talk about your dreams. I'll talk with you about my vision, and we'll find out if we're a good match for one another. Talk to the coach.